Yes, good morning everyone. This is Guider Alan Ramos. So ngayon ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-compound ng coins natin sa Dogecoin. Alright? So Dogecoin po. Okay, unang-una po is open nyo po yung dashboard nyo or yung account nyo. And this is the business dashboard. And then after that, i-click nyo po yung My Accounts. And then click Coin Account. Okay, as you can see here, meron akong free Dogecoin na 1.5 which is dapat dito pero siguro kalahating week pa lang yung nakakalipas. So I have 1.5 1.50 Dogecoin. So ngayon i-scroll ko siya para at least ma-compound ko siya para at least malagdagan yung coins ko again para mag-compound siya. Alright? So 1.50 and then that's it. And then i-click nyo lang po yung scroll coins. Okay? And then, are you sure you want to scroll 1.5 coins? Okay, the password. Okay, type nyo lang po yung password niyo. Okay, that's it. And then scroll coins. And then yun po. Okay, nawala na yung free Dogecoins ko. So, nandito na po siya. Okay, na-scroll na po siya. Kumbaga, na-compound ko na siya. Okay, with that, yun lang po yung, yun po yung process ng, pag-compound natin ang ating mga Dogecoin. With that, thank you so much. This is Guy Alan Ramos again, saying goodbye. Thank you. See you soon.